Here we are on the oil contract. We have a nice arch forming right here, so we'll go long right here, point and click, 6 contracts, and we got our fill. Average fill is at 61.06. We have our profit target at 61.16, and our stop for right now is down below at 60.96. Our average fill again is at 61.06. Each tick here on oil is $10, but since we're in per contract, but since we're in 6 contracts, you'll see the increments moving in $60 increments. You can see the little real P&L ticker down at the bottom there. Now we set these trades up for you. Let's get the charts here for y'all. We have a trader, a moderator, setting these trades up. But here's the neckline. Right here. Here's the arch. It goes back down to the neckline. We have the hole right here. And here's our break of the previous bar's high. And there's your entry. It's really that simple. The software does everything for you. There's very little to understand here. All right. So we'll just let this trade mature. Alright, we're looking pretty good here. Let's pull our stop into break even. There she is. 6 contracts at break even if things go south on us. But we still have our profit target set in here at 10 ticks. So what we're going for is a $600 profit target on 6 contracts. Everything looks pretty good. Even if the bottom drops out on us here, we'll get out of this trade with not too much damage, commission, and any slippage. So basically we just, oh, there it is. It happened. Alright, so we hit our profit target of 600, and that was a sweet little trade. Pretty nice market here on the oils. Let's go ahead and look for another trade. First trade of the morning. Let's see if we can get another one here before too long. Alright, we have our 2 contracts set for long. We haven't been picked up yet. Just waiting for the market to come down a little bit and pick us up. Nice first trade of $600. 2 contracts. Why only 2 contracts? The market's a bit tight right now. The market action on the S&P 500, which is the contract we're trading on this particular trade right here, or at least trying to get filled on, is a little tight. We got our fill. All right, our fill on 2 contracts is 21.12 3/4, 21.12.75. We'll bring in our profit target for 4 ticks, and we'll just let this thing kind of. We'll keep a tight stop on this of 4 ticks as well. Again, it's a tight market, so we're going to be a little bit more careful here. Alright, we're going to add 2 contracts to our position here. We had a nice little pullback. Still a good trade, even though we're using some strict risk management here. We're in 4 contracts, so again, we're playing this nice and safe. But it's a nice little pullback. Still a great trade. I just am more careful because of the constricted nature of this particular market, as you can see. So, but still a nice trade. We don't cherry pick. We take them all. We might adjust our contract size and our risk, but other than that, we'll take the trade no matter what. All right, we'll bring in our stop to break even here. 4 contracts are hitting off our profit target right now, so we're in a pretty good spot right here to bank on some shekels here. Pull this down to I'll give us a little bit more breathing room to 1 tick bad below break even. I'm just looking at the last bar here, and we'll teach you how to place these stops. They're not willy-nilly. They're not just haphazard. There's a reason for everything, and our moderators will call these for you, let you know how and why he's setting them up. All right, hitting off our profit target at 21.14 even. 21.14 even, and there it is. Okay, so on 2 trades, 825. Not too bad. You can see the price here is really rocketing up pretty nice here. This was again an archer arch. We have our neckline, we have the arch, we have the hole in the arch, we have the pullback, and we have the candle break. It was pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. So this again is one of our bread and butter trades. It works quite well. The software we have is different than. Here's the neckline I was trying to show you. You see, there's the neckline on top of the green arrow. You see the up and the down and the hole right here in the middle from the neckline, and it pulls back to the neckline right here. And then we have the break of the previous bar's candle, and we have a second. That's where we took our second entry, and then it just went to the moon.